In this video, we'll walk you through how to withdraw your earnings from Zapaey quickly and correctly. After completing a project, and once your job status is marked as complete, you become eligible to withdraw your funds. To get started, navigate to the Statement section from your dashboard. Inside the Statement page, you'll see a full breakdown of your finances, including your net income, total withdrawn amount, pending clearance, and your available withdrawal balance. Each completed job unlocks the option to withdraw funds, but withdrawals are only possible after setting up a payout method. Before withdrawing, you must create a payout profile. Zapaey currently supports 3 payout options: PayPal, bank transfer, and Payoneer. Choose the option that works best for you. In this example, we'll select PayPal. Enter your PayPal email address and save your payout credentials. Once saved, return to the Statement section to continue. At this point, make sure your account is fully verified. Withdrawals will not be processed unless your account verification is complete. This step is mandatory. After verification, go back to the Statement sections and click on Withdraw. Select the amount you want to withdraw, either partial or full balance, choose your preferred payout method, and confirm the withdrawal. Your withdrawal request will be submitted successfully, and you'll notice your available balance update immediately. Funds typically reflect in your account within up to 4 hours, depending on the payout method you selected. And that's it. This is the correct and complete process for withdrawing your earnings from Zapaey. Thanks for watching.